Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML form text area element. The text area element defines a multi-line input field, a text area. So you can write anything inside the text area. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. And also, the row attribute specifies the visible number of lines in a text area, while the course attribute specifies the visible width of a text area. So let's see how this looks in our browser. Back to our documents right here, we're having this in our previous tutorial. You can check our previous tutorial on HTML select elements, HTML from select element, and also can you see we're having this code right here. Let's delete this first because we are still on form element, right? So let's create another thing with text area. Quickly, we need this text area. Right now we don't need all this. Let's delete this. And now what we need is rows. After the rows we need rows. This is all we need for now. So for me, I need how many rows? Let's say I need like 6 rows. I don't want this to be too long, too much. So and I want let's say we give it like 20 calls. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly in our browser. Back to our browser, let's reload this and remove this. Can you see? Now we are having this. The reason why you're having this right now is because I already did something here using the text area. Let me close the document and reload it again so you can see that there's nothing. This is empty for now. Can you see? It is empty for now. You can write anything there. So anytime you are doing something and you notice that it's not working like you want, make sure you close your document and reload it again. So let's say for instance now we want to place this text. We want this text to pop up automatically whenever people open this our page and whenever people open this page where we have our text area here. If you want a default text inside it, you can just place a text like this inside it, like that. When you place the text inside it, whenever people open it, let's reload it now. You see it's not displaying, right? Close your document, come outside again, you open it, right click and open it again with your Firefox or whatever you are using. Can you see it's going to display some by default? So and you can write whatever you want to write again, so on and so forth. This is very nice. It's a very useful element, so you can use it for anything you want. And don't forget, when you give it a tab whatsoever, even it's a space you created or a tab you created, it's going to display it. So let me show you what I'm talking about quickly. Firstly, let's delete this and reload our document. Can you see? Let's close it and reopen it again. It's kind of weird. It's like it's right, but it's not so easy. When you are trying to test something, can you see the space? All this space behind our D, as you can see, there are the space behind here. All this space you are seeing here. So when I remove it like this, reload your document, can you see? So that's how it's working. So you can place text inside it automatically, where if people want to write anything there and they are going to delete it by themselves, you can see we are able to delete it and write our own thing. So it can enlarge itself when we write more than the space. So when we write more than the rows and the columns, it can enlarge itself. So that's what I want to discuss about this HTML from text area. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next. Bye bye.